So good morning. This is Williams. So I'm right on site, just like I promised that I would, and work has started big time, even way more than the last time. So I'm just here to show you current developments on site, because they say seeing is believing, right? And I don't sell what you cannot see. That's why I come here like every day to show you current development, because once we go past this stage and once the ground floor is completed, the amount will go up from 3.5 to 5 million, because the purpose of the off plan itself will be defeated. Now you can see that compared to the last time we were here, when there was barely anything here, the whole thing was just shipping out for the foundation. But now you can see that work has started big time. This pathway is left for the parking space, and the whole of, just follow my hand, the whole of this place will be left for the parking space. So there's more than enough places to park. And for the self-contained, we are looking at just 4 units of self-contained here, while we have 20 units of mini flats. And like I told you the last time, I told you 8 units was gone the last time, but now I think about 10 units of the mini flats is gone. So we have 10. Today's 12. Today's 12th. Yes, 12th of May, 12th or 13th of May. I'll be sending you updated video the next time I come. 10 units is gone already, and we just a client just left here and is hoping to make payment. So let's just say 9 units is left here, so that whatever decision you need to make it fast. If you need to look at the documentation for you to make up your mind on whether I should buy, then you can consult us for documentation. You can do a background check. Your lawyers can do a background check to make sure that what you are buying is not fraudulent. 3.5 million for 15 whole years, and the idea is for you to enjoy passive income from rent for 15 years. And just like I said, hopefully before October or before end of October, this project will be delivered and be handed your keys. So we are looking at by next week, next week or next 2 weeks, the ground floor should be completed, and the amount will be increased from 3.5 to 5 million. So make hay while the sun shines. Thank you. For more information, you can consult whoever sent the video to you. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your day.